Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Trailblazer headlights. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Next, open the hood of your Trailblazer and locate the two retaining pins situated on top of the headlight assembly. Carefully remove these pins to free the assembly, preparing it for removal. This initial step is crucial for accessing the bulb. Once the retaining pins are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting points. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight housing by pressing the tab and pulling. Finally, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release and remove the old headlight bulb. Be careful not to touch the new bulb's glass. Now take your new headlight bulb and carefully insert it into the socket, twisting it clockwise until it is securely in place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly, ensuring a firm connection. Finally, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position until it clicks securely. To complete the process, reinsert the two retaining pins back into their slots on top of the headlight assembly. Push them down firmly to secure everything in place. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This ensures your safety on the road. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.